Welcome to our Real Pickles episode. Today I have Carla DeLong, who is the fermentation expert at Mountain Feed and Farm Supply. And what do I mean when I say real pickles versus pickled pickles?
Right, so the key thing is that real pickles are fermented pickles and they are a live product. So they still have enzymes, they still have the bacteria that we are encouraging growing, whereas a pickled pickle is something that's vinegar pickled. It's done with straight vinegar and then usually canned so that it's shelf stable. The great thing about fermented pickles is they are not shelf stable because you want them to be alive so you can imbibe all of those happy bacteria.
So that's what we want, good bacteria. Are we ready to make our real pickles?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are going to put all the seasoning ingredients in?
Yep.
All right.
And I like to pack small to large, and that helps keep things down under the brine.
That makes sense, small to large. Okay. So while you're putting in all the goodies, I'm going to start cutting the blossom end of the cucumbers.
This is this side, not the stem end that has the handle. You want to trim this end off because this is packed with enzymes that are specifically designed to make things squishy. So if you cut that off, that greatly increases your chances of getting something crunchy. So the thing about packing is you want to get as many in here as you can without crushing any of your cucumbers.
Right.
Especially these sweet little Persian ones because they have a tender skin.
Yeah.
And then once we get everything in here, we're going to pour the brine over. And we made the brine ahead of time.
So this is organic Dragonwell tea leaves from Spicely.
And those also help keep things nice and crunchy because they're
Yeah.
high in natural tannins.
Yeah, so tannin is the key to keep your pickles crunchy.
When you pour your brine in, you don't want to fill it all the way to the top.
Okay. So to the shoulder here is about perfect. Now we're ready to assemble the kraut sauce, and I'll let you do that. The downward force keeps everything submerged.
And then this is our airlock. Ta-da!
Now we are ready to ferment our cucumbers, and they will magically transform into perky, crunchy, real pickles. They fermented for about 10 days. Ready to try one?
Yes.
Okay. Can't wait.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very good. Very crunchy.
Join us next time when we show you how to sexy up your sauerkraut.